Okay, Steve, it's time to get started on your dad's watch. So we are gonna get to the breakdown process. Very nice. Clean dial in hands. Okay. These dials are generally not marked with a date, which is not surprising, but that is an original dial, so we will work on the assumption that is the correct one for this particular watch. Ooh. That's the kind of wear we're talking about with lower mainspring arbor port jewelling. Okay, well that's your teardown finished. We are going to definitely jewel your arbor port and clean everything by hand, and we'll be ready to get started on reassembly. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, Steve, we are out of the cleaner and ready to start reassembly. Everything's looking pretty good. I'm happy with the way it's looking right now. We got your brand new lower mainspring arbor port jewel installed here and its corresponding upper mainspring arbor port jewel. So that's ready to go for longevity and preservation of the movement. So now it's just a matter of putting the pieces back together. Okay, well there it is. Let's take a close look at everything, and then we'll go to the time grapher and see how we did.
Right.
Okay, well that's not a bad start. Let's make a few adjustments here and see if we can tune things up just a little bit better. take some of your, put some more amplitude, rate back in. You'll have to adjust your beat error when we get close. It always jumps out just a little bit. Alright, let's see here. How did we do there? A little too much? Yep. Okay. That looks good. All right. Well, that's pretty impressive. That's a good runner. All right. Well, I like what I see. 240s straight out of the gate. It's looking good. Oh, that's a good runner. This is a great running watch. Very good. All right, well, we're just going to let this break in for a little while and move over to the calendar, and then we'll be ready. Fantastic. Nice signal. That's so clean. Very good. That new hairspring is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, well, this is fantastic. We'll be back. Okay, we're back over on the calendar side. We're going to finish up the last few components. Okay. Oops. Okay, well, that is movement complete. It's time to proceed to dial in hands and get you back in the case, and we'll be finished up. All right, we'll be back. Okay, Steve, we're back in the case and ready to finish our process. New case back seal. And there we go. And there it is. There is the completed 6309 7049 from your dad. Just came out spectacular. Once we figured out the issues, man, it's just so cool. I really like seeing a patinaed watch in all of its, sort of original shape. The watch came in. It definitely had a few needs. Your hairspring had gotten bent somehow in the past during some process of either adjustment or just careless, fiddling. I'm not sure which, and it doesn't really matter. But what we were able to do was replace that, and that ended up allowing the watch to work fantastically well. The performance is as good as you get with these, for sure. Just want to take you through. There's the changeover, date and day, and we'll check your alignment here. It's just spot on where it should be. Let's see if we can get it right there. Looking very good. So I'm very happy with the outcome of your watch. I hope you are too. We left everything cosmetically as it was. This is really just how it came in. All I did was sort of clean the case and rebuild everything, but otherwise, other than a new crystal, everything else is exactly as it was. Let's see if we can tone down the brightness here a little bit. I didn't do anything other than to put new gaskets, like I said. We rebuilt your crown, put a new gasket in your bezel, a new gasket in your case back, of course. We did the jeweling of your arbor ports. I'm just going to take you through some of the components here. Let's have a look. Everything that was replaced. So there we go. Here's your bezel gasket. That's your original crystal case back gasket, and your very important gasket for the crown. And that's your upper mainspring arbor port bushing, which is now a jewel. That will come back to you along with your watch. Well, I've also went ahead and cleaned your original band here. Whoops. I think this is a replacement from Seiko, but it's now been through the wash and has been cleaned up fully, and will go back on for the trip home. All right, Steve. Well, thank you very much. We will, of course, talk and get things settled up and have this back in the mail to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you again for giving me the opportunity to bring your dad's watch back to its glory, where it should be, of course. It's a really cool example, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to do it.